Hello, my name is Dr. Gary Bellman. In 2007, I founded the Male Anti-Aging Institute in order to educate and empower men about their health. What I discovered is that while women were talking to their daughters about their body and change of life and what they should expect in the future, men would talk to their sons about sports and cars. Plus, there was $1 billion business of what I refer to as snake oil, where people are peddling products supposedly to help men on the internet and on TV. Men, this is what you need to know. Get your blood pressure, sugar, and cholesterol checked annually, as well as your PSA and testosterone. If you're able to control your blood pressure, your cholesterol, and your sugars with diet and exercise, then wonderful. If not, don't be scared to try medication for these things. If your PSA is elevated, a prostate MRI or biopsy might be necessary to exclude prostate cancer. If you're having symptoms of low testosterone, you might be a candidate for testosterone replacement, which is simply in the form of a daily cream, a weekly injection, or pellets placed every 3 months. If you're having performance issues in the bedroom, consider Viagra, Cialis, Levitra, or Stendra. If these medications are not successful, then consider shockwave therapy to the penis, which is a non-invasive, painless therapy where energy is delivered to the penis to enhance blood flow. Men, these are the answers that you need, and please take care of your health and stay informed. This is Dr. Gary Bellman.